Hi folks, my name is Mr. Nickel. I'm going to be your instructor for either Chem 30 or Bio 30 for the Online Learning Center. I'm making this video quickly to show you how to get into our online class. So what's recommended right off the bat is that don't use Internet Explorer. It's a meme at this point that it's very slow and pathetic. If you have Google Chrome, Firefox, I believe Safari works as well. Those would be the preferred kind of ones to be using. So I got my Google Chrome open here. What I would look up is just OLC and then SPSD, and that'll take you to this website right here. You'll be able to click on that, and from there it'll take you to a calendar and a schedule that looks like this. Where you're going to want to go here is you'll want to go to this link here. And what it'll ask you to do after that point is it'll ask you to log in from there, and you'll have those course codes that I sent you via email as well as the access codes as well, and that's where you'll be able to get into one of those courses. Now once you get to this point here, you are not where you need to be yet. There's been some rumblings of people stopping at this point here. You need to keep progressing, and so here you can see my classes. You can see classes where I'm a teacher and then classes where I'm on other systems as well. So you'll have either 2021 Q3 Chem 30 Section 2 or 2021 Q3 Bio 30 Section 2, depending which class of mine you're in. If we go to the chemistry one here, this will be the first page that you see once you actually get into our course. From here, you're going to want to take a look at the announcements. I haven't posted one yet. I'll be posting one later today. And then from that point, as per the email, you're going to want to go over to this left tab. Now, some people will have something that looks like this. If you don't see the left menu, there's this gray bar here, show class menu, and then it'll open it up here. From there, you're going to click on this Start Here button, and I would suggest reading through all of this content. From there, after that, what I'd do is I'd go to the class calendar section, and from there, read through kind of what your assigned tasks are today. You can see for Chem, if you're in that class with me, you have part 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, you're going to go to coursework here, and then you can see part 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're in my bio class, instead, this is what you'll see. This will be the first menu that you see. And again, I'll post an announcement later today kind of welcoming you to the course. I'll post a little video about myself. You're going to go to this Start Here menu, and from there you'll be able to see a couple introductory activities. None of those are being graded, but they're for you to practice using Blackboard. And then after that point, again, you'll want to go to our course calendar, which is called Course Timelines Marking Policies right there. And then you can see a couple critical pieces of information, the length of our Quint, as well as some other important info. The course information section up here, that'll have your course outline, your evaluation guide, so mark weightings, how to write a lab report, and as well as this Explore Learning website, which I'd suggest attempting to get into as well. But that's basically what it looks like once you get into our Blackboard sections. You should be able to get to this menu here of Bio 30, and if you're in Chem 30, you should be able to get to this menu here. And once you're there, it's just about playing around with these sections on the side and seeing kind of if you can figure things out. But yeah, that's our course for right now. That's how you get into things. Hopefully that was helpful, and I will see you on Blackboard and via email as well.